nothing but a sad insinuation. How can we ever live this down? How can we ever live this down? Keep your fingers crossed, the truth is out of us. Big decision for an ordinary coward. The only problem is your fucking rhetoric. We're more in danger than before you took power. Now it's just a game, God, you'll never change. You sell us out if you get only thought a buyer. You don't give a shit, it's not extending yet. Or in your corner you could start us all on fire. How can we ever live this down? How can we ever live this down? You never wanted free, they only wanted a parody. You want the world to be free, what the hell is free about?